Everyone loves frozen, and everyone loves frozen beverages. This training, which supplements various FBD installation and service manuals, will cover how to successfully install a frozen beverage dispenser. Required tools. Various tools will be needed during the installation process. Location preparation for installation. Operational countertop units, depending on the model being installed, can vary from 345 pounds or 156.5 kilograms to 460 pounds, 208.7 kilograms. Shipping weights of empty countertop units can vary from 395 pounds or 179.2 kilograms to 500 pounds, 226.8 kilograms. In selecting a location, the installer must ensure that first, the countertop is level, and more importantly, that the designated counter space is fully capable of supporting the unit's weight, plus the weight of any other equipment being placed near it. It is critical that the persons who are installing the unit, to avoid personal injury or unintentional damage to the unit being installed, do not attempt to lift the unit without help. In fact, the use of a mechanical lift is highly recommended. Gloves should be used to avoid hand injuries from the cross-bracing edges. The unit is top-heavy and must be maintained in a vertical, upright position when being lifted and positioned. Adequate space must be left around the dispenser to ensure efficient air circulation around, above, and behind the unit. Just as importantly, enough space must be provided to allow access to the unit through the side panels if service is necessary. The room selected for installation must be well ventilated with a temperature that can range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees centigrade to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32.5 degrees centigrade. Additionally, the unit should not be exposed to direct sunlight or chemicals.
The following two frames summarise the installation requirements of the FBD56X and 563 units. Please take time to review these before installing a unit to ensure all the main elements are in place. The slides summarise the electrical, water, CO2 and syrup supply requirements, as well as details on clearance and ventilation.
Installing the dispenser. There are several ways the unit can be installed, so just follow the instructions for the method you are using. One method of installation is to use a roll-around cart. These carts can be purchased from a dealer. If using a cart, first lock the wheels before placing the unit on the cart. Again, use the proper lifting procedures to place the unit on the cart. In order to prevent damage, install the dispenser from the back of the cart as seen here. The unit should be secured to the cart with 4 3/8-16 UNC bolts. These bolts are not included in the installation package. The bolts must be installed through the cart mounting holes and into the frame of the dispenser. Probably the most common installation is flush mounting the unit to a countertop. Verify that there is a minimum of 12 inches or 30.48 centimeters of open space above and 2 inches 5.08 centimeters of open space on at least one side of the dispenser, including the back side. This will guarantee proper ventilation. Ensure that the countertop is able to support the weight of the dispenser being installed, plus the weight of any other equipment being placed on it. The countertop must accommodate the full length of the unit, including the drip tray. If you are permanently mounting the unit to the countertop, it must also be secured with 4 3/8-16 UNC bolts that are not included in the installation package. Use the information in the installation manual to locate and drill the holes for the bolts. The bolts must be installed into the frame of the unit. When the dispenser is to be permanently mounted to the countertop and has been properly placed and secured, seal the dispenser base to the countertop with a bead of clear silicone caulk or sealant, thereby providing a smooth and easily cleaned bond to the counter. Sealing the dispenser to the countertop will also prevent liquids or other objects from getting under the dispenser.
Please take time to review these FBD560 series critical settings. Following these important settings during the commissioning stage of the installation will ensure a reliable, consistent and quality frozen beverage. It covers the basic ingredient adjustments of electricity, carbon dioxide, water, syrup and then final product adjustments.
For more information, please visit www.fbdfrozen.com.